yes, you can wear these locks with over top of your real locks. Welcome back to another video. You're watching youtube.com/MeekFro, and do me a favor, thumbs up this video for me please. If you have not subscribed to this channel, hit the notification bell so you'll know when videos like these are being uploaded. Okay, so definitely before we get started here today, y'all, as y'all can see, I got my locks up. I will have pictures on the side of the screen right here for you guys to look at with all the information that I'm going to be telling you about the locks today. So the locks are from Dreadshop.com. Okay, it is a company originated out of the Netherlands. But if you have not noticed or caught on, you guys, I've actually modeled for this company quite a bit. If you guys have been watching my videos, you see that one of my favorite types of faux locks are DE locks, meaning double-ended locks. So with double-ended locks, you have two ends instead of one. Dreadshop.com, they also sell the single-ended locks, but I highly prefer the double-ended locks because it just fills the head quicker. But y'all, with these locks, I get so many compliments. I do have a coupon code for you guys for Dreadshop.com if you're interested in purchasing these. Why should you invest in locks like these? I mean, as you can see over here, y'all, gorgeous locks. Okay, first and foremost. Secondly, they look natural. They are not something you have to commit to. These are temporary locks. They're easily installed and they are easily taken out. I'm going to show you here on the corner of the screen how to actually install a double-ended lock. Okay, super easy, simple, y'all. And I had to shave sides. My head was shaved all the way around. I would still install these. That was the best time to even wear them, actually, because it took like 45 minutes to put these in. They just have the regular Renate Locs of Love right here. I consider these like the thick ones. They have the Renate Locs of Love thin as well, which I love, absolutely love. The blue ones that I had installed were thin ones, and y'all, I don't know, they were just much more fun to put in. So you can get them in any colors they have available on the website, thick or thin, you dig. Or they can be double-ended or single-ended, or if you want to order single-ended and double-ended together, you can do that, because I know sometimes around the edges here you don't want like a double-ended lock around the edges, which it looks totally fine, because I do that. I put all double-ended locks. But some people will do the singles in the front here just to make it like not look too bulky in the front. They'll put the single ones in the front and then maybe the single in the back and then double-ended in the center. But I do all double-ended and they look fine. They turn out fine for me. The blonde ones here, y'all, I got so much feedback from, like, when I would repost this picture here on Instagram over and over. People would just be like, oh my god, this color, because I had dyed my hair. My real hair is dyed blonde in the back. The center kind of in the front has like a little pink dye, which I'm gonna dye that blonde as well. I had a project I had to do that required pink hair, and so yeah, the front is a little pink, and I'm gonna make sure it's dyed back blonde to match my locks. I am actually like I'm 5 months pregnant right now. For those who have not been following me, look at that belly. Oh my God. They're easy to put in, easy to take out. Reusable locks. I cannot stress this enough. Reusable, 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 reusable. Can't tell you how long I've had these ones. But I absolutely, y'all, my go-to is double-ended locks, and I don't know why. Why the black community is sleeping on these types of faux locks. You're probably asking like, girl, how you gonna continue being a brand ambassador for Dreadshop if you go and lock your real hair with some lock extensions from wherever? You can insert these as a temporary style on your real locks. And I'm gonna show y'all a video right here of Renata putting one of her synthetic locks, one of her Renata Locks of Love locks, on her actual lock. So there was a young lady, it was a black woman. She reached out because she was, you know, looking into purchasing this, you know, to kind of give her real locks a longer length look, like Renata did here. And I told her, yes, it's possible. It has been done. Okay, like I said, they have single end locks with the loop. They have the double end, which I highly recommend. Different lengths, okay? My favorite length is always the hip length. Just showing you guys. That's that. You can use them over and over and over and over and over and over. They can be washed and then you just air dry them, okay? They are synthetic, as I've said. And if you're actually in their area, like I think it's the Netherlands, you can actually get work done on your real locks, or you can get some real locks started, or you can even get these installed there. I think they have a lot of little services there. But yesterday, like, I was dressed up all cute, kind of like in my colorful dress with my stones and crystals on, and my rings and my bracelets and things of that sort. And y'all, I got loads of compliments. Yeah. If there's nothing else, like I said, the coupon code is there for you. Links in the description, in the comments.